So guys, you're welcome to this video. Just as we started earlier, we're talking about in the previous past video, we're talking about how to import our survey data. So, and we said the survey data should have about 5 details. We have the point number, the easting, northern, or northern easting, depends on the surveyor. So you need to clarify from the surveyor which one comes first. Is it the northern or the easting? Because we are going to make use of it here. So point number, eastern, northern, assume it's eastern first, eastern, northern, then description, then the elevation. So we're going to see how to import it here now. So we said is that we make use of this point here, the right click, then click create, or we go here straight, we go to points, then we get point creation tools. So from there, this dialog box shows up, then we click on this. So when this one comes up, you have to select the format in which your data is. This is where the issue of the arrangement of the northern, eastern, or eastern, northern comes into play. So here now, the data we're going to use is going to have eastern, northern first. Let's check it. Let's check it out. Let's look at here. I think I have it here somewhere. Okay, this is it. Let's see. So we have it. You can see this is point number. This is eastern, northern, elevation, and drain. Yeah, elevation first before northern. So you need to clarify. You need to be very, very sure. But though from experience in this part of the world, our eastern is always lower in value than the northern. You can see this one is 362,293. This one is 668,408. That has been my own experience, but it may be like that. It may not be like that later. And sometimes the number of digits in the eastern maybe is always lower. In some places it's lower. Sometimes it's lower than the northern. That's my own experience. So you still need to confirm from the surveyor which one comes first. So you close this. So let's go here. Please don't forget to close it. The another thing I need to mention is our data, our survey file, our file we're going to import should be in CSV format. Please, it's very, very important. Save it down to CSV format. How do you do that? Maybe you have, let's assume we have this in the normal format of Excel. So for you to save it to CSV format, you go to File, go to Save As. Then this is where you want to save it. Go to the file, you want to folder, you want to put it. So you can see CSV, comma delimited, comma separated value, comma delimited. We have space delimited. Use comma separated value, comma delimited. So assuming it's in maybe in workbook format, or maybe 97 to 2003 workbook. So you have to save it to this format, this CSV format. CSV format. Take notes of that. So close it. Let's go back. So let's close it. So for us now, we have to import the data. We are entering into design. So click on this. So from here, we set the eastern first before the northern. So you look at point number, eastern, northern, Z is the elevation, then D is the description. So we have pen ZD. This one, that's what we say this one, pen ZD. So you click on comma delimited, which is the format in which we saved the Excel file. So you click on this one, then you now go here to select the file. So you trace, let me say it's here. You trace it from wherever it is, then you have to trace it down to the directory of where it is. I think I saved my own in projects. No, okay, it's here. Then okay, I put it here. Then yeah, this is it. I got it. So you click on this. So you can see that it has appeared. Eastern first, northern, then point elevation. Please, I will still emphasize, you need to get the way this is arranged. Is it eastern first or northern? Because if you have the when you're supposed to have eastern first, you're not having northern first, it will turn your design the other way around. You may have it, you will not have it funny, please. So click on OK. When you click on OK, the data will be imported into your system, into the software. But one thing you may not see it, so you need to type in your Z, enter. Then you can now say all or extent. Say all means you can press type A, then you press A. So you can see our data here. This is our data. This is the survey data on the system. So this is where we're going to stop in this video. So for the next video, we'll now see how to work with this survey data. We are going to talk about how to group the data for us to use them, because you can't just use all this data. If you want to use this data, you need to sort them out to know which one is for drain, which one is for the road, which one is for the transformer, because a topographical survey involves making observation of every information needed during the design. It will guide you. The surveyor will pick everything. So surveyor will go to the extent of even surveyors will go to the extent of even picking the trees for you. They pick if there's an electric pole, they pick it for you. There are pipes along the road, they pick it for you, so that it will guide you when you are designing. So that you don't go and design and maybe place your roads on where there are pipes. You know how to escape to avoid the pipes. If it's an existing road where there are drains, they will let you know where there are drains. If it's a road that's located in a built-up area, they will show you the drains, the building lines. Where there are fences, they will show you. So the next video will now do more about it. We'll go more into it. Thank you very much. I see you in the next video.